the first thing you have to do is to open your browser. After opening your browser, if you're using Microsoft Edge, if you're using Google Chrome or Firefox, then type YouTube dashboard. After typing YouTube dashboard, hit enter and let computer show you. Then you are going to open YouTube now. Please keep following. I'll show you each and everything here. To change to channel dashboard, then move your cursor and choose this setting and go to channel and go to the advanced settings. Scroll down and for subscriber count, there for you, if your number of subscribers are displayed, you will see it will be like this. Go display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Then if we want to remove that number, like here, you will remove this one and you will see save here. You will click on save, then everything will be alright. Thank you guys. And for here, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.